Tuck Notes beginner how to do part 6 or something, but I'll tell you this, not every time you're gonna get it right and perfect. And so what we did was we retested when everything was dry. We turned the main valve water on to have the water flow back up, and then we looked at the pipe for about 5 minutes, touched it, feeled it all around where that white part is to see if there was any water leaking. And honestly, about like 3 minutes after we did this is when Alberto spotted that there was a little drip coming out. And that drip now, I'm gonna say it's due to the corrosion of that pipe. That pipe's been there since we moved into this house close to 40 years ago. So, you wonder, okay, so Tucker, what do I do now, right? Yeah, I know, right? So for right now, we can just add extra Teflon, because what happened is I don't know the proper name for these little lines on the metal, they're all like frosting off, they're rusting off, and that's what's causing the leak. And so we're using this Teflon to kind of create a more barrier to hopefully make the leak go away, or make it at least stop for temporary at least, and conserve water and lower our water bill. But for the long run, this is the story, because you're wondering, you know, what is in the future. You have to use, for me, in this situation, we have to buy either, I think it's better probably to get a plastic pipe like this and dig up all this dirt from here all the way down to where the main valve is, which is down around the corner where the last cactus is. And so this whole from here down to there, which is probably what, 100 feet, or I don't know, 200 feet distance, and then you'll have a whole new system, and you won't have this leak at all, because it's it's like replacing your arteries or something in your body. So now we're